everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another flame tutorial for you. Only difference being is that this one is 1 year later than my last one. So one of my lovely subscribers left me a comment on my last video just saying, could you show us how your flames are going 1 year later? I was very new to them then. I would still say I'm kind of new to flames. I don't do a lot of them, but I have changed the way that I do them, and I would like to show you because I think these are even easier than last time. So stay tuned. I will try and give as many details as I can. I've left most of it in real time so that the flames are easier to learn, but any questions, just leave them down below and I will get back to all of you. Also, any of the products I've used in this video I will leave down below. That's brushes, gels, everything. If I've missed any of them out, just leave me a comment and I'll get back to you to let you know what I've used, but I will try and include everything below. You really won't believe how easy these are. I'm just going to get straight into it. So first of all, we're going to go halfway down the nail. Halfway, and you're going to draw your first line halfway down the nail in the center. All you have to remember is that you're going to draw 3 lines in total. So when you think flames, okay, I need to draw my 3 lines, and then you literally can't go wrong for the rest. So my last video I drew 1 line and went from there, but I mean, I just don't think this is so much easier. You'll see what I mean. Anyway, the second line, you're then going to draw either side of your first, and you're going to go halfway between that line. So you're going to go a quarter way down the nail. So just remember, the first line is halfway, the second line is halfway of that line that you've just drawn, and then the same for the third. So it's 3 lines. That's the second one. If you need to make the lines a little bit more opaque, you can do. Just grab a little bit more gel and then paint over the top. So this art gel is a Magpie art gel. They are really good. I really love the Magpie art gels. So once you've got your 3 lines, from the top of the first line, we're going to draw horns. That's what I'm going to call it. So one side of the line, you're going to go out, in and out to create a point. So same again, I'm trying to film as best as I can. Out, in, out. That's what you have to remember. Out, in, out, and it's going to look like a U-bend. So you're going to do the same for this line. We're going to do the outer edge, so we're going to go out, in, out. They don't have to be perfect at all. And then we're going to go from the outer side of the other one. You'll see why. So same again, we're going to go out, in, out. I wasn't happy with this one, so I tried to correct it, but for the sake of this video, I just left it as it was, because they don't have to be perfect. And if you want to take it off, it's gel. You can literally just wipe it off and start again. So out, in, out, that's all you have to remember. So once you've done all the outer edges, we're going to then do probably what I find the hardest, but I don't think it's that hard. You're not going to start straight from the top. You're going to leave the point of the top that you've already drawn. So you're going to start a little bit further down from it, and we're going to do the same. We're going to go out, in, and then connect. So ready, we go out, in, connect. And you just want the bit that you connect, you just want it to look like the top flame of like the inner bit. So same here, we're not going to start at the top. We're going to go out, in, and it is out, but it's out and connect. Am I making sense? I really hope so. Like, look at these already. Don't they look great? And it's so easy. It's so easy. We're going to add some chrome at the end. And all I'm going to do now is just fill in the gaps, really. The edge of these sides, all you have to do is literally draw a line to the edge of the nail. You don't have to do anything fancy. Even if you go straight out, it's still going to look okay. One of the really good things I found is this brush that I use actually. It's not expensive. It's called a Boan brush, and I get mine from Amazon, I believe. I've got a couple of them now. One of them is a double-ended brush. I will try and find a link to leave down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. But I will try and find the link for you. Now I actually wasn't happy with this part of the flame that I'm doing on the edge. On the left side, I ended up making it a little bit too long, but it doesn't matter, they don't have to be perfect. You know, they're flames, they don't have to be too symmetrical. Obviously, if that's what you're going for, you can just wipe it off and have another go, no problemo. Yeah, but I really enjoy using this brush. Once you've got a good brush, and all you have to do is practice. Flames are hard in the beginning, especially if you're new to being a nail tech or you're new to doing nail art. But practice makes perfect, as they say, and a lot of the time I used to struggle with timings. I still take quite a long time to do sets of nails, but that's fine. You know, my clients are happy to wait to have their nails done. I don't like to rush things, and that's the way that I work. So if any of you are struggling with timing, especially if you're a new nail tech, I would just say don't worry about it too much. You're gonna get there, and if you're passionate about nails like I am and you enjoy it, then it's, you know, you don't have to worry about it anyway. If you've got clients that love your designs, that's great, and what I like to say is what you water will grow, so it just takes time. So at this point I was actually really happy with the outcome of my flames. I really want to do some more of these now that I've been doing it again. I just wanted to add a little bit extra for the video because I'm extra. I'm using Marilyn, which is a chrome by Magpie. I do have a lot of Magpie glitters and chromes and art gels and brushes also, because I think they're really good quality. My technique is, you just saw, I just use my finger most of the time, shake the bottle upside down to get a good bit on my finger, like so, and then I just rub it in. Now I actually did mess up a little bit, because when I do art designs, I like to do them on top of a very thin coat of no wipe top coat, just because the gel doesn't spread, so that's a hack. But I kind of shot myself in the foot a little bit, because once I put the chrome on, it kind of stuck to everywhere. So I then had to, as you can see, I'm dusting it off and it's all a bit chromy everywhere. Whoops. So what I did instead this time round, I just top coated the flames. So I'm just going over